how to change time zone on FreshBooks. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to change your time zone on FreshBooks. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here. And once this is loaded up, all you need to do is click on the settings icon in this top left corner. And that is going to load up this area right here. So all you need to do is click into the settings option. That is going to take you over to the settings area right here. So all you need to do is scroll down to the time zone. Let's change this to whichever one you would like. So if I just go for this one right here, Phoenix in America, and we click save, that is going to update the time zone, and that is how you can change your time zone on FreshBooks.